Deep in the lush green belly of Central Africa, where the forest never sleeps and the canopy towers like living cathedrals, the jungle begins to stir. Shafts of golden light pierce the mist, illuminating a world teeming with life. Birds call, out like flutes from the treetops. Insects hum like electricity in the air. And up among the ancient fig trees, a troop of chimpanzees wakes to the rhythm of the rainforest. In the heart of the group is Tambo, a 7-year-old male still caught between childhood and the looming demands of adulthood. His fur is matted with leaves from last night's nest, and his eyes scan the forest with restless curiosity. For Tambo, every day is a lesson. Every branch, every whisper in the trees is part of a survival game he must soon play on his own. The older males stretch and yawn, muscles rippling beneath thick fur. The females gather their young nursing infants clinging to bellies. Tambo grabs a vine and launches into the air. He's reckless, agile, bold. He swings tree to tree like a shadow with momentum dodging hornet nests, snapping dead limbs beneath him, taunting the younger chimps as he flies. But playtime here is never just for fun. Tambo mimics the hunting patrols. He watches how the alpha marks his path, how the others follow in silence. He copies the low grunt used to warn the group, the clap of hands that signals unity. This isn't just a jungle gym. This is where young chimps practice politics, build alliances, and find their place in the troop's strict hierarchy. By midday, the rainforest is humming. Cicadas scream from the underbrush. The heat thickens, and the troop descends to forage. Tambo chews wild figs, digs for termites with stripped twigs, and cracks nuts between heavy stones. This is no mindless feeding. It's skilled labor. Tambo knows which fruits are ripe, which bark carries water, and which caterpillars to avoid. Knowledge passed down not through books, but through generations of eyes, gestures, and instinct. In the shade of a strangler fig, grooming begins. Chimpanzee diplomacy in action. Mothers pick fleas from daughters. Subordinates flatter superiors. The alpha male receives more attention than anyone, not just out of respect, but out of fear. Then, suddenly, the forest shifts. A whoop rings out in the distance. Not from birds, not from monkeys. It's another troop, rivals, and they're getting closer. The dominant males rise, hair bristling, faces hardened. The troop regroups into a loose formation, and Tambo is shoved behind a large female. He wants to see, to learn, but the older ones keep him back. What follows is not just aggression, it's strategy. The males flank the edges. Their calls are deep, guttural, growing louder with every step. And then a blur. A branch snaps. Leaves explode. The rival troop scatters before contact is made. No fight today, but the message was clear. This jungle belongs to them. As evening falls, the light fades to amber. Rain clouds threaten in the distance. The troop climbs once again into the canopy to build their nests from fresh branches. Tambo selects a high perch, weaving leaves and twigs into a soft cradle. He curls up next to his sister, their bodies warm and close, the forest humming below. In the distance, a leopard snarls. Farther, still, thunder rolls like drums from the mountains. Tambo watches the last light slip between the leaves. He's learning the ways of the forest, the dangers, the bonds, the rules etched in bark and bone. Tomorrow, he'll rise again, older, wiser, stronger. Because in the jungle, the test never ends. If you want more stories from deep within the wild where survival is a lesson written in instinct, subscribe now. From the canopy to the savannah, we bring the untamed world to you. Every creature, every moment, every heartbeat of the wild.